committee to lift the order of contempt, for I have no willful intent to refuse to answer the relevant inquiries of the honorable committee. I am respectfully appealing to this honorable committee to reconsider the order of contempt for humanitarian reasons and for medical reasons. I am currently suffering from diabetes, and to be candid, my blood pressure is not good when I was checked by the attending house physician. Thus, I am humbly appealing and begging with you, Your Honors.
Okay, so
So with that, Mr. Chairman, since I am the movant to cite Mayor Teddy Tumang in contempt, before I move, Mr. Chairman, to lift, I just want to make it clear, Mr. Chairman, that conditional po ang lifting natin. My motion will be conditional that in the next hearing, Mr. Tumang should be present, at the same time, he will